Welcome to AlternativeTherapyClinic.net. Today we will discuss how to manage anxiety, depression, insomnia and stress without drugs. In my practice, acupuncture has successfully controlled anxiety, depression, insomnia and stress symptoms, which are actually the root cause of the life-threatening diseases. 90% physiological disorders have got a psychosomatic origin. Hormones are the chemicals in human body which are responsible for all the physiological changes, including aging. An imbalance in the hormonal system can age you faster by suppressing the youth hormone and may result in deadly diseases including heart attacks and strokes. Acupuncture is an ancient treatment which is known to effectively balance the level of hormone secretion in the body for a very long time. Now the thing is, what causes the hormonal imbalance? Basically, the psychosomatic factors, including all emotions, are responsible for hormonal imbalance, and the biggest factor for hormonal imbalance is stress. When we are stressed, the level of adrenaline and non-adrenaline along with the cortisols increases to a very dangerous extent, which may shoot up your blood pressure or may even harm any vital organ like heart, kidney or brain. Stress can affect your pancreas health, causes reduction in the insulin levels which can make you even diabetic. Stress is considered as one of the single most factor for the diabetes. Stress has also a direct link with the sex hormones and may cause infertility in both men and women. The next factor which causes hormonal imbalance is anxiety, which result in increase in dopamine, cortisol and decrease in serotonin and oxytocin, thereby creating physiological imbalance in the body and may cause many complications. This may also influence thyroid, which produces thyroxine. Reduced level of thyroxine can affect your metabolism in the body and may cause sudden weight gain. It can also cause fatigue, bone weaknesses, as thyroxine help in calcium absorptions, hair loss issues. Depression also causes dangerously increased level of dopamine or decreased level of serotonin. If you have a positive emotion like happiness, the level of good hormone, serotonin, increases in the body, which is not only good for your health but also improve your blood circulations, lowers blood pressure, lowers heartbeat, unclog your arteries, reduces the chances of stroke and clot formation significantly. Acupuncture is, along with other non-drugless therapies, is a treatment method where we can alter the meridian energy in the body and help patient in balancing the overall endocrine system by balancing all the hormones. This procedure results in increased level of happiness and love and decreased level of stress, anxiety and depression in the body. Acupuncture, when clubbed with meditation, does wonders, as research proves that meditation increases your good hormones, serotonin, which controls sleeping, learning moods, behavior and even our body temperature. Meditation and acupuncture can also enhance the immunity levels, and it lowers the heart rate and oxygen consumption and increases the blood flow. Thank you very much. This was Dr. Kaushik, AlternativeTherapyClinic.net.